Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to manage, track and explore all content using this our knowledge base advanced edition. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here module Dev Knowledge Base here already installed. So first go to this app knowledge base. Go to configuration menu under this category and text. Here different categories and available different tags like access, accounting, box, delivery, etc. Using this category and tag on website site you can easily filter all content or articles. And if you want to create any new, then easily click on this new button. Now go to this template menu. Here already created templates. Now open anyone like meeting notes. You can use this ready-made template. Display here template name, created category, description, and define here template content. I want to use this ready template. So now move in article. You can easily change here header name like only meetings and save. And display here info title updated. Here no need this all, so remove here. And now change here this content. When you select any text, then display here this bar. You can change here header, text in a bold, italic, text color, text size, translation, etc. So now I want to change this text color red. So here easily update it. Now write here attendance name like Mian and facilitate here. Devo agenda related cells and next meeting so here your articles is ready. Display here this reference name, its identification reference number under this category order and delivery support. Now add here text like order and inquiry. This contributor defines who is the viewer or editor. So now admin is owner. And if you want to add any new, then easily select here user mark demo. And I want to give rights for that only viewer. So when you log in with demo, then this already created articles on a website side only view. It means not editable for this demo. Define here status for these articles. and this article published after move in published date. So now move in published and display info status updated. So when you here copy link and open any other tab, then your article is published on a website. So display here info, admin is the owner, date, viewer 0, meeting notes, attendance, agenda and next meeting. Now give your feedback like a yes and no. Now display here your feedback only 0. But now I want to give yes, then easily update it here. Do you refresh? And display here viewer 1 and like 1. And dislike is 0. Display here print PDF. Now click on, then easily print and PDF format. And display here is your template. And display here your article and PDF format. Display here is icon bookmark. If you want to add or favorite, then bookmark this article. Now display here this version history. This history created after change 10. And save version, like the current version is a V1, and when you change here 10 time changes in article, then created auto V2. When you click on, then easily display that V1 in how many changes in article. Now I want to create new version like a V2. First close. And now save version V2. And give summary this. Final. And save checkpoint. Then see here title is a final and created V2 history. If you want to display compare with current and old version, then easily click on this compare with current and display here how many changes version 2 and version 1. So display here changes between this both version. And if you want to restore any version like version 1 or 2, then easily click on this restore. So V2 is my final version, so I want to restore this. And confirmation here, restore version 2, this will replace the current content and create a new version checkpoint. So okay. And display info restore to version 2. And now created V3, your final version restored from version 2. And provided here advanced feature like a save version. For this version, history in save version is vice versa. Display here version history, all version history. duplicate if you want to create this same article. So you can duplicate this and create sub articles, then easily create like a sub articles. For new inquiry and save. Now provided here lock option. Now allow this. Then when you try to this edit, then not editable here because now it's currently locked. And if you want to again edit, then first need to unlock this article. And now you want edit, then easily do it. And see here now this editable. Provided here archive option. If you want to hide this article, then use archive option, and delete it means permanently delete this. Now provided here border list. This article display after this allow border listed. Display here this comments. If you want to write here any comments related to this article, then easily write here like it's my final and comment this, and also display here it's my final. If resolve this, then easily do it this and mode in resolved. Now go to website, and but first need to allow this option on display this website site. So allow this border listed, and now go to website. Go to your account and display here this menu knowledge base. Now open it. Provided here filter. Here use category and text. You can easily find related category and text articles. Display here different categories. Recent article is a meeting, enjoy text, inquiry and order. When you search here meeting, then result for meeting display with text. Again back to knowledge base, and now open with this meetings and display here your article on a website site. Here one view and one like. Again go to your app, go to reporting menu, and go to search analytics. In display all search terms by this user, display result, clicked article and search date. Display this search article or terms on a website site, search keyword by tech category and text. My final search terms is a meeting, so display here this whole meeting history. Now go to your analytic and display here measure in a line chart, bar chart, pie chart, etc. In a graph view, pivot view, and also display in list view. All articles display here under this article menu. And now go to dashboard. So display here different counter, created total article with counting number, total published article, total draft in state, in review, how many articles created for own and bookmarked or used for personal use. Provided here template, that recent activity with all status like published, draft, etc. And if you want to display all, then easily click on this view all button. Now back to dashboard. All created category display here. All trending article with view like a meeting for only one view, need 20 for one, order and delivery issue resolution total 5 viewer, and this operation procedure total 3. Your bookmark or personal use for order and delivery and newsstand or meeting. Top contributor only admins. Provided here option, create new article from the dashboard, directly move from template, and if you have any already created new template or article, then import here. Now provided here across or globally icon. Directly open knowledge base, so move in all articles. Its feature provided all apps like a CRM, sales, purchase, inventory and more. So now go to CRM and I want to create for this info about services. Now open it and also display here this icon. Click on. Provided here, create article for this record. It means directly created from here. So click on and move on this step. Like I want to service related this product and same. And again go to the same record and open it. Info about service, now open it. And again click on this icon, then already display here one with counting number. So related article is attached now. Now open it and display here your created article for this specific record info about services. So using this our app, you can easily manage, track and explore all articles or contents, and also filter by category and text. You can easily find any articles. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.